Welcome to Apps4Org. This video shows how to access the leads. To access the leads, click the Scans menu on the left side of the page. Select the drop-down and click All Scans. On this page, you can view all the leads scanned during the event. Select the drop-down and click Exhibitor Scans. On this page, you can view the individual leads for each exhibiting company. Select the menu for a specific exhibiting company and click Scans. Here, you can view the leads for that particular exhibiting company. To download the leads report, select the menu on the right side of the page. Click All Scans Report and click OK. An Excel file will be downloaded so you can view the report. Thank you for watching the video.